Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Samsung. So a lot of people are interested in doing these type of jobs like Samsung, Nokia, all these jobs. So here we are going to see about the recruitment update from Samsung. This is a fresher recruitment. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. And also if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So the recruitment update is from Samsung, and we know that all these companies, all the software companies and all the IT companies are nowadays they are giving work from home jobs. Okay, due to this COVID situation, here also, if you are joining, you will be doing the job work from home itself. But after the COVID has settled down, you may have to relocate to the location. Okay, here in order to see this notification before going to the requirements and all, the location of this job is Noida. Noida, India is the location of job. Okay. You can see that this is the location and the post name is Android developer is the post name. Okay. Now let us see the position summary, means the job role. So in this position or in this job, if you are getting selected, you have to do all these things. That is understanding and implementing our software related requirements accurately in order to provide Android applications. That is, you are going to develop, implement the Android applications, develop software optimized for usability, performance, maintenance, etc. So you are going to actually research about this Android applications. You are going to develop, you're going to implement and understand the various Android applications. Okay, so that is this job. Now let us move on to this skills and qualifications. Learn to use the professional concepts, apply company policies and procedures to resolve routine issues, work on problems of limited scope, then normally receives detailed instruction on all work. Another thing, very important point they have included here is typical entry point for university graduates. Means university graduate means freshers. So they are mainly focusing on freshers for this job. Okay. So if you are a university graduate and if you are interested in Android application development, then you should definitely try for this. And the package that you are going to get here is it will be anyway greater than 25,000. Okay. They have not given exact amount that you will be knowing during the HR rounds, but it will be decent package only. Okay. So that is the detail regarding the qualification and all. So that is the detail they have given about the qualification. They have not asked for any particular skills, any special skills they have not asked. They have not asked for any branches. That is, you should be studying in this branch or particular this branch. They have not asked any of that. And also there is no age limit and they have not asked for any particular year of pass out. Okay. So if you are any year of pass out and if you're a fresher, you can apply. Okay. So that is the detail regarding the qualification requirements and all. Now, in order to apply, what you have to do is click on this icon called apply. So here you can go for any of this option, apply manually or use your last application, or you can apply with LinkedIn. If you have a LinkedIn account, then it will be very good. You can directly apply using your LinkedIn account or autofill with resume. Okay. So you can go for any of this option. Anyway, you have to click on this icon called apply. Okay. Now this job is a very recent update. It is posted 3 days ago when I'm making this video. So very recent update this is, and this is given in the official site of Samsung. So what you are seeing right now in this video is the official site of Samsung. So this is a true update and it is not fake. Okay. So if you have some doubts regarding whether this job update is true or fake, first you have to go to the Samsung India career page. You can see various jobs listing out. Just see for this particular job. If it is present, only then you need to apply. Okay. So that is all about the details of this Samsung recruitment. Talking about the selection process, this is a fresher recruitment. Clearly, there is no experience asked here. So there will be various stages of selection. First stage will be online test or aptitude test will be there. Then there will be technical interview. Then there will be HR interview. Okay. So these stages mostly they'll be conducting through online mode because of the COVID situation. So you have to prepare for it. Okay. So that will be the various stages of selection. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. The last date they have not mentioned. So these private companies and MNCs, they don't mention the last date in their notification. So whenever you are seeing this video or whenever you are seeing this link, you have to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So that's all about the job update from Samsung. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with all your friends because a lot of people are eligible here. Please share with all those friends because I'm trying to bring up maximum job updates from the official site itself. So you'll get true notifications here. Okay. So please to support the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also tell your friends to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.